Welcome to EffiChem's tutorial on method validation. As you know, EffiChem is the only LIMS QMS software integrating method validation and Part 11 record keeping. We take accurate and effective method validation seriously. Today, I'll show you how EffiChem helps you to do that while saving time and stress. Let's get started. I'm already logged into EffiChem and I'm at the dashboard. I'll click the Methods module. This is where the magic of method validation happens. You can see that the module has the same structure as all of the other modules in EffiChem. Each method can be clicked for more information. Of course, you can also create a new method by simply clicking New and adding the information as required. Validating a method is just as simple as adding a new one. First, you select a parameter, then you go to Validation. Now, here I see there's a star next to full validation, which means there's data in every one of these validation parameters. I'm going to pick repeatability and then level by level from multiple measurements. As with the rest of EffiChem, our validations module is tab-based. We're looking right now at the data entry tab. It's similar to your favorite spreadsheet program, so you're going to be comfortable with the layout. And if you get stuck, you can always look at the Data tab explanation to the right. Here we see information about the Repeatability tab, and that the rows are equal to concentration levels, and the columns are where the measurements are put. The explanation tells you that you need at least 3 points of data, and ideally 5. Now, let's enter some more data here. Having entered in my data, I'm now ready to run the validation. And in order to do that, I will simply click Results. And it's as simple as that. All I need to do is punch in the numbers and I can validate my method. I can see that the answer regarding the validation is here. If I want to review the report, I can do that here. And of course, this report is printable and has all of the requisite data and results and chart as with other reports available in EffiChem. This process of entering data and clicking the results to validate the method is the same in all of the other validation methods. For example, if I click linearity and correlation and QC coefficient, I see that I already have data. I'll simply click results and the test will be validated. Now, because we have some results, it might be worthwhile to say a few words about the calculations themselves. EffiChem saves you the time of doing the calculations because we use statistical analysis tools derived from ICHQ2 and other guidelines. And EffiChem is designed in line with GAMP5. As part of our statistical validation OQ, we test each validation parameter on each user's machine according to a set of statistical results models, extending to 14 decimal places for accuracy. Finally, because EffiChem is used in the regulated lab and therefore needs to provide an audit trail, I'll show you how to do that. First, you can always view the global audit trail to find everything, including validation, that's been conducted. Here we can see that the validations have been run. We can see also when the audit trail was last visited, that there was an update to methods, and that I turned on EffiChem earlier today. Also, if you want to see the audit trail for each validation, you can do that easily. Go to a method, select a parameter as though you're going to run a validation, go to the Data Entry tab, select Edit Sheet, and view sheet history. In this way, you'll be able to see every time a change was made to this validation, and by whom and when. Your audit trail is maintained. And that, in a nutshell, is method validation in EffiChem. It's simple to run, statistically accurate, and it is itself fully validated. Now you can see why users are telling us that they save 50% on average in data evaluation time during method validation. Thanks for watching. For more EffiChem tutorials, visit this page or effichem.com. If there is a specific question you have or a tutorial you're missing, don't hesitate to contact us or your local distributor and we'll get you the information you need.